Hey there, YouTube family. Welcome back to Lovely Tips. Today, we've got a common problem that many of us face: spiders in our homes. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you some simple and effective ways to get rid of those 8-legged critters. So, if you're ready, let's dive right in. Method 1. Natural repellents. Let's talk about natural repellents. Spiders hate certain scents like peppermint, citrus, and vinegar. We can use these to our advantage. Simply mix equal parts of water and your chosen essential oil, like peppermint or citrus. Then spray this mixture in areas where spiders are likely to enter. Method 2. Seal entry points. Next, it's crucial to seal up any entry points around your home. This could be gaps around windows, doors, or cracks in the walls. Using a caulk gun, fill in these gaps to create a barrier that spiders can't breach. It's a simple step with a big impact. Method 3. Clear clutter. Now, let's declutter. Spiders love to hide in dark, cluttered spaces. By tidying up, we're taking away their favorite hiding spots. Invest in some storage solutions like these clear boxes. They not only keep things organized, but also make it harder for spiders to find a cozy spot. Method 4. Use sticky traps. Sticky traps are a fantastic way to catch spiders without using any harmful chemicals. They're safe for your family and pets. Simply place these traps in areas where you've seen spider activity. They'll get caught on the adhesive surface, and you can easily dispose of them. Method 5. Regular cleaning. Last but not least, let's talk about regular cleaning. Vacuuming and dusting are powerful tools in the fight against spiders. Pay special attention to corners, behind furniture, and under beds. This will remove any webs and eggs, making your home less inviting for spiders. There you have it, folks. 5 effective methods to get rid of spiders and keep your home spider-free. Remember, consistency is key. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.